Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today we are discussing about a new free software, what we say software, a web page that can be used for designing the how we can design the research methodology, especially like how the glassware and other things we can arrange. Especially, it's good for chemistry students. So this the new software, and its name is I'm just writing again here so that it will be visible for you. The name is chemx.org. Okay, so this is the name chemx.org, and this is a very user friendly software. You can see also the address written here. So whenever you open the chemx.org, like I'm starting from zero, from the next page, let closing this one, leave it. So chemix.org. So we're going to this page, and this page you can check when you open it directly, no sign in and nothing is required, and then you got this picture. So if you're not starting from here, you can just delete all of them. So you can do delete, select all, and then delete button. Here if you go to the left section, you can have chemistry, biology, physics, heating, measurement, transport, distillation, accessories, and shape. And on the right side there is diagram setting that can be used, and at the top ribbon you can see the A is for writing like text, and this is for undo, and this is forward, control Y and control Z cut, and this is control C copy, and this is control V paste, delete, and you can expand and something maximize the drawing area. Okay, this lower one you can see this area. So this is just like a presentation how like you can just make it bigger or smaller. So just we start from a simple diagram. We want to make some unit, like we are making some experiment in the beaker. So I just selected this beaker, drag it to the side, and then we are placing it on the heating. So we click on the heating, and there is the hot plate and magnetic stirrer. So I like hot plate. So bring this hot plate here inside this one, so it is on the hot plate. If you want to increase this area, just click on this and then come to the right side. We have this height, width, so I increasing the width, you see. And if I want to increase the height, we can increase. And the color of the water inside, you see the properties, and there is liquid. So click on the liquid, you can click on this color, you can change the color to different color, or maybe red color. If you are having red colored, like this one, you click, so it is red one. So many option, very simply. So this is the first step. In the next step, you just like you add like some comment along with this. So this is step one. Okay, for writing, you please again come to the right side. Here is the label. You just change step one, take 100 ml water. Okay, so if you want to change its position, you can easily do, no issue. You can just like next step, we go for this shapes one. Shapes, we have different shapes like arrows, etc. So you just add some arrow. Sorry, Control Z. This arrow we need to drag by this cursor button, no issue. If you want to change its size, again you go to this one, and this right side you give us like this is 100% color, so we reduce the color. Similarly, border and size. Yeah, this one is the width one. So you see, just we reduce the width, and if you want to decrease the size, even you can do the size again from here. You go to the arrow button, so you can reduce the size. Okay, very easily. So now we go to the next step, and in next step we prepare add this solution, suppose into a round bottom flask. So we will take sorry, a flask. So this is the flask, and then we again keep this flask on heating. So we will keep heating, and then we make like hot plate. So we are heating this sample, and then we attach a condenser to this system. Maybe you want to attach condenser. So again, click on chemistry. You will see their condenser. So many option you have here, like anything you want to add, like metallic and other and glassware. So many different things you can add. Okay. So you can add any other thing, maybe next step, and then you go to the next step and also add the text. So no issue, like we added here text. This is step 2. Sorry, I am again writing directly. You go here. Step 2, heating the sample. Okay. So you are doing heating, and the position of this one can be easily changed just by arrow button. You can change the position. If you feel that these are not online in line, so you can just check the line. Okay. And then also you bring this in the center. This one can be brought in the center, and then you want to go into second step. Okay, we have distillation. Okay, I was just wondering for a unit of condenser, so there distillation section. So suppose I am adding here a Dean stock assembly. Dean stock is very rare assembly. Only few people are using. Okay, so now in this case, you see my Dean stock is not visible, so I will just reduce the size from this. Okay, it's now visible. So Dean stock assembly I connected to Dean stock assembly. I am connecting a condenser. Where is condenser? I need condenser. Condenser. This one. Okay, Elihan condenser, simple condenser, water condenser. This one. Okay, we add this condenser. Okay, so we again bring it to down so that the size be visible, and again we check this condenser. So we have setting here. You can increase the height, like I'm increasing and decreasing to fit my system. And then like in the properties, there is appearance, reset to default. Okay, flip horizontally, ordering, etc. Everything done. Okay, this is condenser attach. In the next step, suppose I am again going to arrow. So in the arrow, I am this time using the curve arrow. This is the beautiful one. You can use in any direction. Just simply, okay. You can just, for example, you are just adding from this condenser. Sorry, from this distillate coming out of this part, I am adding to another beaker. So this like the assembly I have created. Again, I am need a receiving flask for it. There should be a round bottom flask. No, can be round bottom, but can be a conical flask will be okay. So our sample is collected here in the conical flask. So it's a simple assembly we have created, I think, and then when everything is done, you go to the download image at that corner. So click on the download image. You see this is the best quality image prepared. Can be in GPJ or PNG or SVG. You see this ready and it is downloaded. You just click on save and it is downloaded. So that's all a very good software and good ware, camx.org. Thank you everybody.